Hey guys, welcome to Let's Go Catch Some Snaps. And one of the greatest things, guys, about going fishing, when you get back, you get to enjoy some of the delicacies of the ocean. So this is a fillet of red snapper. And I'm just going to put some of the adobo. All right, on here. Hey guys, welcome to Let's Go Catch Some Snaps. And one of the greatest things about fishing is eating a wonderful fillet. And this is just caught, just a few, hours ago. There's nothing more fresh than this here, guys. A few hours ago, fresh fish. Look at this. Look at that. Wow. That is sweet, guys. So this is a adobo completo. So I'm seasoning the thing, bam, bam, bam. We got a beautiful fillet. So I'm gonna let it go right in there. And then just gonna add a touch of olive oil. Look at this. Touch of olive oil. Turn around. Same ammo. Just gonna let it sit there for a few minutes. Seasoning. And we're gonna put it in a frying pan with a little bit of olive oil and sear it up. So, all right, let's see how this is gonna go, guys. Just like that. We'll cook it up and see how it goes. Stay tuned. So now we're cooking the fillet, you guys. You see, I don't want no bread batter. I don't want nothing. I want to taste the fish. A lot of people put bread batter, this and that. I don't want none of that. I want to taste the fish. Look how big that fillet is. See how it comes out. Look at this, guys. Fresh red snapper. You can't go wrong with that. When you see it a golden brown like this, ready to go. So now we're going to get the rice, bam, 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 and eat a slice of a red snapper. Share, like, and subscribe. Let's go catch some snaps. Red snapper fillet.